How to delete Facebook account. Facebook is used by people all around the world to stay in touch with friends and family as well as start meaningless arguments with complete strangers over mediocre kitten videos. However, although some people view social media as a necessary component of life, others are alarmed by data breaches and privacy concerns. The steps for canceling or deactivating your account are listed here for people who want to take a vacation from Facebook either temporarily or permanently. The positive effects of closing your Facebook account. Undoubtedly, deleting your Facebook account might feel liberating, but some users decide to take a break from Facebook by deactivating their account rather than having it permanently deleted for the following reason. If you don't make a new account, you won't be able to access Facebook once more. Without a Facebook account, Messenger cannot be used. There's a chance that some of the accounts you logged into using Facebook won't work. It could be necessary to get in touch with those apps and websites or open fresh accounts. If you don't download a copy, your data will be lost forever. How to remove a Facebook account from an Android phone. Start the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap the three-lined icon. Tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Access and Control. Tap Deactivation and Deletion. Tap Delete Account from the selection. Tap Continue to Account Deletion. Tap Continue. Here you can select any reason and tap Continue to Account Deletion. Now you are on the final step. If you think you wish to delete your account, just scroll to the bottom of the page and tap Delete Account. Write the password and hit Continue. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. If you feel that you miss Facebook, you can always return in these 30 days and restore your account. This is how you delete your Facebook account. If you stayed until the end, please show your appreciation by liking the video. Also, leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more tech videos. Have a great day.